Hi, is your header starting to feel a bit boring? Let's give it a glow up, like Kylie Cosmetics. First, open the OT Theme Sections app, go to the library, and search for Header. Find header number 4, preview it, and add it to your theme. Next, go to the theme editor and add the section. You'll see a transparent header right away. Want to highlight your menu? Go to Style under the Highlight menu and choose the effect you like. Besides the bling effect, you can also try circle or highlight styles. You can also add labels like this. Just click the menu item you want to customize, then go to the menu label settings. Add or remove labels and adjust the colors as you like. Now you've got a more eye-catching header with effects, labels, and a smooth transparent hover. Try it now with OT Theme Sections. Find us on the Shopify App Store.